in cooperation with Fontis ICT and Open Remote. Wind power is becoming a more broadly used research throughout the world, which makes the prediction of wind power a more requested feature than ever before. In this project, we will create our own prediction model. The end goal is to create a prediction model in Java, which Open Remote can implement to their own dashboard. In order to create our own dataset on how much energy a wind turbine can generate based on the current weather, we decided to install our own wind turbine, the Taser 2400. The goal is to install this turbine on top of Stripe TQ, where it will stay for an undetermined amount of time. Due to COVID lockdown, we were forced to temporarily abandon the idea of the Taser turbine. This made it look for alternative ways in which we can simulate the presence of the wind turbine. This is where the new solution came into play, the installation of an anemometer. This device will mimic the wind turbine and calculate what the output of the turbine would have been. The device will measure the wind speed and convert it to potential power output, accompanied by the current weather forecast. The goal is to install this anemometer on 2 unique locations to harness as much data. When enough data has been collected, we will merge the datasets from both Arduinos into one big dataset. This will be the final collection on which the model will be trained. This prediction model will get a list of weather variables as input like temperature, wind speed, wind degrees and more. These inputs will be used to predict the output, predicted wind energy in watts. Once the model is released, it will start learning from its past predictions. It will do so by recording its predictions and comparing these against the actual outcome. This will create an alternative dataset with predictions, on which the model can later be trained again to improve from itself. The goal for the coming semester is to physically install the wind turbine on Stripe TQ and gather data from there. See you in the next newsletter.